Critical library mismatch involving the Inspector module DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. While we cover the technical fix for Inspector module, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This is the Inspector module, frequently associated with localized system auditing tools or specialized PC doctor suites. It manages the low-level enumeration of running processes and system hooks. Because it performs deep memory inspection, it is a frequent target for antivirus deletions. Its absence prevents the auditing tool from gathering system data, citing an API bind failure. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Inspector is a proprietary library bundled specifically within the Localized diagnostic/debugging logic file set, and the safest way to recover this file is to run the official setup for your main application, where you encountered the error, again. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Inspector module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. It is important to avoid manual installation of Inspector module DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes Inspector module references. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Inspector module from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.